Stop what you are doing. Google just dropped what might be the single most powerful AI image generator we have ever seen, and they gave it the weirdest name in history. They're calling it Nano Banana Pro. Yes, seriously. But don't let the silly name fool you. Under the hood, this is actually Google's brand new Gemini 3 Pro image model, and the internet is calling it the Midjourney killer. It fixes the biggest problem with AI art. It generates in 4K resolution, and right now, it's completely free to try. Is it actually better than Midjourney and Flux? I tested it, so you don't have to. Let's dive in. First off, why is everyone searching for Nano Banana? It's basically a viral nickname for the latest update to Google's Gemini ecosystem that dropped this week. Unlike older models that just mashed pixels together, Nano Banana, or Gemini 3 Pro, actually understands the physics of the world. It's not just drawing, it's reasoning. And the first thing you'll notice? It is fast. Lightning fast. But speed doesn't matter if the images look like trash. So let's put it through the ultimate stress test. The number one headache for AI creators? Text. You ask for a sign that says coffee, and the AI gives you alien hieroglyphics. Midjourney still struggles with this, but watch Nano Banana handle it. I'm asking it to generate a neon sign that says, "Subscribe now." Complex font, lighting effects, specific spelling. Boom! Look at that. Every letter is perfect. The kerning is right. The glow hitting the brick wall is physically accurate. If you are making thumbnails or logos, this feature alone is worth the switch. Okay, text is cool, but what about texture? Can it handle glass, plastic, and intricate lighting? I used a viral prompt known as the Gashapon challenge to test its render engine. I asked for a tiny Batman inside a transparent capsule. This requires the AI to render the plastic shell, the fingerprints, and the tiny city inside. Look at the reflection on the plastic. Look at the depth of field. This doesn't look like AI. This looks like a macro photograph taken with a $3,000 camera. The Nano Banana engine handles light refraction better than almost anything else on the market right now. Now, here is the feature that changes everything for content creators. Consistency. Usually, every time you generate a character, they look different. Nano Banana allows you to reference up to 14 images to lock in a style. I asked it to keep this character consistent across different scenes. It actually remembered his face, his haircut, and his clothing style. If you're trying to make AI comic books or story videos, this is the feature you have been waiting for. So, the big question: is Nano Banana actually better than Midjourney? Here is the honest truth. Midjourney V6 still has a slightly more artistic flair. It's moodier. But Google's model is smarter. It listens to your instructions better. It nails the text every time, and it integrates directly into your workspace. If you want pure art, stick with Midjourney. If you want a tool that works like an employee and gets the details right, Nano Banana Pro is the winner. But I want to hear from you. Do you think Nano Banana is a marketing genius move, or just Google being weird? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to know how to monetize these images to make $100 a day, click this video right here, where I break down the strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.